Hi, my name is Andrew Wang. I'm the student president on Frog Force 503. I've been on the team for 4 years, and I've been on a FTC team, Teen Synergy, for 2 years. One of my favorite memories on the team was definitely helping out kids make prosthetic arms for other kids and seeing the reaction from those people in person. And that was a really magical moment that I experienced on the team. My plans after graduation is to continue my education at Purdue University, and I also plan to major in electrical engineering.
My name is Arnav Verma, and I'm a member on the marketing team. I've been on Frog Force for about 3 years, and I have done robotics since 8th grade. My favorite memory from Frog Force would probably be the World's competition from my 9th grade in Detroit. It was a really unique experience, and it was just like the bond with the team. Like after the whole year of working through robotics, the bond made was just really special and exciting to me. After graduation, I plan on going to Michigan State, and I'm majoring in med.
My name is Emily Mcnichol. I am 503 safety captain, assistant game spec group lead, and operator. I've been on the team for 2 years. My favorite memory from Frog Force is the Kettering competition we went to in 2020. It was my first and only real competition, but my favorite part of it was being on the climber repair pit crew. It was a super fast turnaround time, super stressful, a lot of things breaking, and it was just a whole lot of fun actually. I am going to Michigan State University to study information science.
My name is Joshua Huang. I am the robot driver as well as the robot programming group lead. I've been on Frog Force for 4 years, and robotics in general, I've done robotics for 8 years, so this is my 8th year. My favorite memory from Frog Force is programming an automated climb in 2019, and then realizing just the power of computing and sensors when I saw it work for the first time at the Shepherd competition in 2019. My plans after graduation are to attend the University of Michigan Ann Arbor College of Engineering, studying computer science.
My name is Jagadji Claire, and I usually just go by Jag. And this year I was the chassis group leader of Frog Force. I've been with Frog Force for 3 years now. Next year I plan to attend the University of Michigan Dearborn and study electrical engineering.
I am Kai Shea. I'm one of the group leads for GameSpec and one of the group leads for the Game Design Challenge. This is my 4th year on Frog Force and my 7th year in robotics, with 2 years on Black Frog's FTC and 1 year on a small FLL team. My favorite memory would have to be my 2nd year going to States. It was just a really fun experience. You know, by then I had a lot of friends on the team, and it was just a very wild experience. After I graduate, I plan on attending U of M engineering in aerospace and hopefully working for NASA at some point.
My name is Krishna Thigala. This year I'm the drivetrain group lead and also the human player. I've been on Frog Force for 4 years throughout high school, and first I've been here for 5 years. My previous team was Robo Titans in FTC, so my favorite memory was from 2019 Worlds when Kettering hosted this pinball game, and they had to kick us out for winning too many prizes. After graduation, I plan on attending Wayne State University and studying mechanical engineering.
My name is Megan Douglas, and I'm the marketing group lead on Frog Force. I'm currently a senior, so this is my 4th year on the team, and this is my 6th year in robotics. In middle school, I was on the FTC team Black Frogs for 2 years. My favorite memory from Frog Force was probably when a group of students and I got to travel to China, and we ran an FTC workshop for a group of middle school students there. For future plans, I'm going to attend the University of Michigan this fall, studying business at the Ross School of Business.
Hi, I'm Pranav. I've been on Frog Force for, this is my 4th year, and I'm the sponsor relations group lead. I started robotics in 7th grade, and I've been doing it ever since through the first program. I enjoyed going to the competitions and meeting everyone there from other teams. I'm going to UPenn, and I'll be majoring in bio, probably as a pre-med.
My name is Ryan Kosmowski. I'm the GameSpec group lead. I've been on Frog Force for 4 years and robotics total for 8 years. My favorite memory on Frog Force would be when me and Megami helped Kyle put the fender back on the trailer in the Menards parking lot at night. After graduation, I plan on joining IBU for an electrician apprenticeship.
Hello, my name is Sai Pranav Janyovala. I'm one of our programming co-group leads here on Frog Force. I've been doing FLL robotics for 2 years and then FTC for 1 year. One of my favorite memories on this team is probably going to Worlds and seeing the entire Ford field rented out for the first time. And that's just kind of awe-inspiring to see so many people all at once and how big this organization really is. After I graduate, I'm planning to go to U of M to study either computer science or data science.
Hi, my name is Shreya, and I've been a part of Frog Force Robotics since the beginning of my freshman year. So I've been working on Frog Force as part of the chairman's group for our team to win the chairman's award every year, and I've also been working as the Say Play student lead in Detroit. Before I joined Frog Force, I did robotics for 2 years. I did 1 year of FLL when I was in 5th grade, and I did a year of FTC when I was in 8th grade. I think one of my favorite Frog Force memories was when my friends and I volunteered at one of the Detroit kickoffs and competitions, and that's where we saw one of our Say Play teams win the competition there. And it was just a really heartwarming moment to see what all their hard work and our mentoring led to. I'm starting at the University of Michigan as a freshman in the fall, and I plan to study architecture, and I also hope to minor in music as well.
My name is Sujit Lechwick, and I've been a programmer and currently a sponsor relations member. It's my 4th year on the team, and I've previously been on FLL teams like the Legion and Tech. One of my favorite moments was Worlds 2018, my freshman year. I just kind of enjoyed that energy of like a huge crowd and kind of like that intense experience, I guess. I plan to go to the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor, and pursue a degree in computer science.
My name is Vandan Shah. I'm the chairman's group lead at Frog Force, and I've been part of the team for the past 4 years, and I've been part of FIRST for the past 6 years, doing 2 years of FTC with Team 6225 Synergy. My absolute favorite memory of my time at Frog Force was winning the State Chairman's Award in 2019. The atmosphere of the crowd was amazing, and it was so fulfilling to see us working hard for our dream for the entire season, and when it finally came true, it felt like a dream. I plan to study computer science at the University of Michigan, and hopefully looking forward to a career in finance and technology.
Something I would say and recommend to younger members looking to join Frog Force is that it's a huge and it's a great experience that will absolutely change your life.
Definitely get involved early. One of my biggest things is that I wish I got involved much earlier than I did, so definitely start as soon as you can and get it as involved as you can.
What I would say to younger students is to ask a lot of questions because you're only going to get out of it how much you put into it, and it's definitely a learning experience.
Robotics is such a great place to learn and grow. It's just, you're exposed to so many new things that you wouldn't normally be exposed to, and it just gives you a lot of different skills that you wouldn't normally expect to have.
Don't be intimidated by robotics. When you get to see your robot compete in the competition, it's a very special experience.
FIRST is more than robots. FIRST isn't just building robots, it's the bonds that you build along with it, which makes robotics more fun.
You shouldn't really worry about trying to get in as many clubs as possible. You should really just focus on doing what you're interested in, and hopefully that thing is robotics.
It doesn't matter what your interests are, you can always learn and grow and find yourself a home in robotics.
Try and open yourself up to the community. It's very accepting and welcoming, and I'm sure you'll have a great time.